Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be sharpening my machete outside. And no, I'm not giving a free in the chat. Put my machete down and yes, you get well, I thought this would be a lot easier. I don't know if you can see me. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I somewhat lost my machete for a bit. And yes, I am using a cheap sharpener to do this. And yes, I am probably not doing this right, so don't do this at home, kids. And if kids are watching this, please, just for polite sake, please do not continue watching this. Anyway. I'm doing this with one hand, like I usually do. That's better? I don't know. Anyway, let's go down here. Now, as you can see, the blade is a bit rusty. I should put vinegar and baking soda, I think. Or just some WD-40. Okay, you were way too zoomed in. Anyway, I hope you guys have been liking my more recent videos. And I want to say hi to the new guys to the channel. Well, I've reached 188 subscribers. Thank you all for that. But, well, life has given me an interesting deck for the past few weeks, especially with this YouTube channel, because, well, my primarily videotaping phone got its battery completely wiped. Well, not completely dead, it just takes forever for the possibility of a charge. And you have to get the right circumstances just to get the right way of doing it. But anyway, and I think I should go down here. And yes, I'm not doing this right. I'm probably not. I'm probably just making it probably worse. But this is the best sharpener in my house, and I'm too cheap to get a new one. Plus, I don't know how to actually use one. And this is not a tutorial on how to make a knife into a weapon. I want to make that abundantly clear. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Oh, I'm doing semi-decent. Sure, I'm, let's just say, financially near the bottom of my wish list. But well, life just gives you that sometimes. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too deep. Let's not change fate. Okay. Now, I hope you guys somewhat liked this video, even though I'm nowhere near done. But let's just do one from here. Yeah, me. Try that again. Anyway, I'm making this video a few days early because, well, you guys know that at this point I do that a lot. Because, well, I like having videos every day of the week. And let's see. Actually, let's go from here. That is my entire machete blade. Anyway, if you guys are having a wonderful day, please continue to do so, and goodbye. And wow, I need to shave.